Good morning, Jennifer Coons here at the Swartz News Desk. Our top story today is homeowners everywhere are losing money trying to deal with water damage on their own. Our team has been investigating, and what we found might just make you cry, and then call us. Welcome to the Swartz News Desk. I'm Jennifer. So many homeowners today are asking themselves, why did I try to do that myself? We're going to go live to a homeowner who's attempted to clean up his own water damage.
Hello everyone, we are here on site with a homeowner who did his own dry out. See the results.
What's that smell? Ah, that's better.
Welcome to the Swartz News Desk. Today we are going to cut live to a sump pump scandal. This sump pump hasn't been maintained since Blockbuster was open. It could have been replaced for $200, but now it's going to cost thousands.
Your sump pump should look just like my beer does. It should be well maintained. You shouldn't let it get old and gray. And this, folks, is not what your sump pump should look like.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Swartz News Desk. We're going to break away and go to a live search for a water shutoff valve.
We are on site here with a homeowner who is frantically searching his property for his water shutoff valve. Come inside as we report on if he's able to find his water shutoff valve.
Help! The house is flooding! Where's the water shutoff valve?
There it is.
Good morning, this is Jennifer Coons from the Swartz News Desk. Today we're going to go live with one of our reporters out on scene talking about leaks and how they can go from small to big real quick.
Hello, Jennifer. Coming to you live here where a homeowner has had a small leak turn into a big leak, which has turned into lots of money.
If you or a loved one are dealing with water damage, don't let today's news become tomorrow's reality. Call Swartz Restoration and Emergency Services. We respond faster than the weatherman.